Diving board anchoring system, part 2. The concrete will be 8 inches deep. I used 3/4 plywood as a template and traced the bottom of the diving board base in holes. Later, I used it for setting the bolts and steel in the concrete. I laid out where the angle iron was going to go on the plywood and fastened the steel angle with wafer head screws in order to drill the holes for the stainless steel bolts. I set the steel angle at the distance needed from the plywood using stainless steel nuts and washers. I cut out a large section of the plywood in order to pour the concrete. The existing rebar had to be cut with a grinder. New rebar will be attached to the existing that's protruding out of the concrete. One piece has to go through the angle iron because of the location of the existing. Put water in the hole first. Then add the concrete, mix it really well, and get the air out of it. The next day, remove the plywood and clean the area. I apply my magic caulk around the bolts about 4 inches wide to divert any water. I install the diving board with stainless steel washers, lock washers, and nuts, and more magic caulk.
Please subscribe.